First up, we're starting strong with a powerhouse in the nutrition department, full-fat Greek yogurt. Yeah, you heard me right, full fat. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Full-fat Greek yogurt is packed with something called CLA, or conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is a naturally occurring fatty acid that has been shown to help reduce body fat and improve body composition. On top of that, Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means better digestion, less bloating, and more effective nutrient absorption. Let's not forget about the protein. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, which is crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue, especially after those tough workouts I know you're all crushing. Protein also keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. When you're at the grocery store, be sure to choose plain Greek yogurt over those flavored or sweetened varieties. You can always add your own natural sweetness with some berries or a drizzle of honey. Next up, we're cracking open the incredible edible egg. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and should be a staple in your diet. They're an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Protein also gives your metabolism a boost. Eating protein requires your body to burn more calories to digest it compared to carbs or fats. So, by incorporating eggs into your diet, you're giving your metabolism a nudge in the right direction. Now, let's address dietary cholesterol. Eggs got a bad rap for being high in cholesterol. But dietary cholesterol doesn't impact your blood cholesterol levels as much as we once thought. Eggs are packed with nutrients like choline for brain health, and lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. Alright, let's talk about nuts, specifically almonds. Almonds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function, energy production, and blood sugar control. The healthy fats in almonds, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, have been shown to help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about the protein and fiber content, which work together to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. This is key when you're trying to lose weight because it helps prevent those pesky cravings and overeating episodes. Now, a word of caution, while nuts are incredibly healthy, they are calorie-dense. A good rule of thumb is to stick to a handful a day. Chapter 4. Apple Cider Vinegar, the fat-burning elixir. Now let's move on to a pantry staple that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. ACV is made from fermented apples and contains acetic acid, which is the active ingredient responsible for its health benefits. One of the main reasons ACV is often touted for weight loss is its ability to reduce appetite. Studies have shown that consuming ACV with a meal can help you feel fuller and more satisfied, leading to a reduction in overall calorie intake. ACV has also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes that can lead to cravings for sugary or processed foods. Always dilute ACV in water before consuming it, and start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Chapter 5. Spice up your life and metabolism with cinnamon. Let's add a little spice to our lives, shall we? And no, I'm not talking about drama, I'm talking about cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that not only adds warmth and flavor to your food, but also packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. One of the key components of cinnamon is cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for its distinct aroma and taste. Cinnamaldehyde has been shown to have thermogenic properties, meaning it can slightly increase your body temperature and boost your metabolism. Cinnamon is also known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It does this by improving insulin sensitivity, which means your cells are better able to use glucose from your bloodstream for energy. Sprinkle some on your morning oatmeal, add it to your smoothies, or use it to flavor your coffee or tea. Chapter 6. Dive into the benefits of salmon and oily fish. Let's dive into the deep blue sea and talk about the incredible benefits of salmon and other oily fish. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own, so we need to obtain them through our diet. These healthy fats play a crucial role in brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which, as we've already discussed, is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, boosting metabolism, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Now I know salmon can be a bit pricey, but there are other affordable oily fish options out there that offer similar health benefits. Sardines, tuna, and mackerel are all excellent choices. Chapter 7. Let's turn up the heat with chili peppers. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for their fiery kick and numerous health benefits. Capsaicin has been shown to have appetite-suppressing effects. It does this by increasing levels of a hormone called cholecystokinin or CCK, which signals to your brain that you're full and satisfied. Capsaicin is also a thermogenic agent, meaning it can slightly increase your body temperature and boost your metabolism. This effect is temporary, but it can contribute to a slight increase in calorie expenditure. If you're sensitive to spice, you can still reap the benefits of capsaicin by adding a pinch of powdered cayenne pepper to your meals. Enjoy the heat and the health benefits. Let's talk about whole grains, the unsung heroes of a healthy diet. Unlike refined grains that have been stripped of their bran and germ, whole grains contain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm. The bran is the outer layer of the grain and is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The germ is the nutrient-rich embryo of the grain and contains healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The endosperm is the starchy center of the grain and provides carbohydrates for energy. One of the main benefits of whole grains is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, helping to keep things moving smoothly and preventing constipation. When choosing whole grains, opt for less processed varieties like unsweetened rolled oats, steel-cut oats, quinoa, brown rice, and wild rice. Let's give it up for cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These nutritional powerhouses are low in calories and packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your health and support your weight loss goals. One of the key benefits of cruciferous veggies is their high fiber content. As we discussed earlier, fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, and aiding in weight management. Cruciferous veggies are also a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. And here's a bonus. They contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may even help boost fat burning. To get the most out of your cruciferous veggies, try steaming them instead of boiling or microwaving them. Steaming helps preserve their nutrients and flavor. Last but not least, let's talk about chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses that pack a big punch. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. One of the key benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Chia seeds are also a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, boosting metabolism, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Another interesting thing about chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and expand in size. When you soak chia seeds in water or milk, they form a gel-like consistency, which can help you feel fuller for longer. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even use them to make healthy puddings. Alright, for those of you who stuck with me till the end, you know I always deliver on my promises. Remember I told you about my secret weapon for fat loss? Well, it's time to reveal the champion blueberries. Blueberries are like nature's candy. They're naturally sweet and delicious, and they satisfy those sugar cravings without all the guilt and calories of a brownie or a cookie. Plus, they're packed with water and fiber, which means they fill you up and keep you feeling satisfied. Blueberries are phenomenal for fat burning, especially when it comes to that stubborn belly fat. So, next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a handful of blueberries instead.